guys, it's Goten. And welcome back to another reaction video. And today we're going to be reacting to a new Straight Arcade parody that just dropped titled The Birds and the Z's. I remember my dad at one point tried to teach me about the birds and the bees. I'm not sure if that's the same thing as this one, but I didn't really understand it. I mean, like, why would I need to learn about birds and bees? I know birds lay honey and everything. I know. I am the best edumacationer in the world. Well, if you guys want to watch the original video, link to it down description below in the comments. It's an SSJ9K parody, and I'm super hyped to see this. Alright, let's begin the video in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, I love the nature so much, it's so cool! Animated by SSJ Carter. Love your work, man. I love it. That guy looks like the fishing rods from the Pokemon games. That beautiful voice. It's so majestic. I'm crying. It's beautiful. Please don't stop that. It's amazing.
Come on, Dad.
Oh, why are we screaming?
Dad! God!
That's
Big
how I
bro,
got to
why
know
are you so mean?
Don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at? Huh?
I'm sorry,
Don't get it twisted.
Hey, isn't that Icarus in the background? I see Icarus.
Goddamn spirit bomb at you.
Okay, Dad, but you're singing.
Hey,
It
this
makes
version
me
of Dad is
embarrassed
just like the real life version of my dad.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
Yeah, wait,
You
what?
smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you smash Mom? That would hurt, won't it? I mean, like you're physically assaulting her.
What are you
That's
saying?
not right.
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had the
Big
talk
Bro
with
told me
you.
that that's illegal to do.
Talk.
You know, the
Unless they
birds
mean
and
something
the
else.
Z's.
I hate birds.
Yeah, I don't like birds either. They're hogging up all the space. However, when I tried bird for the first time, it didn't taste that
Sometimes when
good.
a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Dad tried to teach me this.
Okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a
Okay.
boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl
I don't
likes the
understand.
boy,
Does that mean the
she
girl's
may allow
psychic?
him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule?
A capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No!
Oh, tacos! I want tacos!
Gohan?
Well, how
Oh, I want a taco now. Dad, how could you do this to me? How could you trick me and Big Bro like that?
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, Big Bro tried to teach me and Dad tried to teach me, but it didn't work.
I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
What the? Dad's eyes! That's scary!
Be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids
What? What? I'm so confused. The eyes are scary.
and neglect them.
What was that?
Hmm?